Hello, this is Abdalrhman Al-Afandi. I am studying electrical and electronics engineering in Istanbul Aydın University. And this is the final project for computer programming course. And the name of the project is Library Management System. And it is a very famous and useful project. It can be used by the librarian to organize the library work. I first of all divided the books into 6 categories: computer, electronics, electrical, civil, mechanical, and architecture. And I added 7 functions. The main, when you enter to the program, add books, delete books, edit books, search books, and issue books, view the books, close the application, and closing. I'm gonna explain every function and how it works, uh, and how it works. So I started with the beginning and adding password in entering in logging in the program, and then you can find 7 different actions that can be taken. First of all, you get them and you write, and I give every one of them a special number by order. 1, 2, into 7. The 7 is close the application, and the others are here. So if you want to choose one of them, it's not a button. You type the number of the action you want to take, and you get into it. And I'm gonna explain how everyone works here. So first of all, function that add the books, it's the add books function. First of all, if you want to add book, you want to choose one of the 6 different categories. If it's an electrical book, you can choose the electrical, civil, mechanical, etc. And then you type 7 back to the main menu. If you want to go back, you type 7. And then I will get to the next function, which is delete book, the second one. If you want to choose it, you write 2. If you want to delete book, you can either delete it by writing the ID number of the book, or the name, or even the author. To enter the book ID to delete, if you enter the book ID, it will be deleted. And if you want to search for a book, you can choose the find book function by writing the number of it. So you can find it. You can delete it either by writing the ID of the book, or the name of the book, or the author. And there is, if you want to go back to the main menu, of course you type 7. And I'm gonna show I'm gonna run this program in the end, and test these functions. If you after finishing using any of the actions, it is gonna ask you, for example, if you just deleted a book, it is gonna ask you if you want to delete another one, or if you added a book, it will ask you if you want to add another one. And the next action, or the next function that can be used, is searching the book. If you want to search the book, you can either search it by ID, name, or the author. If you want to add book, you're gonna be asked to add the ID of the book and the name, the author, quantity, the price, and that's it. It is gonna ask you, of course, if you wanna add another one. And this is for searching for a book. This is for searching for the book, and you can try. It is gonna be helpful for you. So if you didn't find it, you can try again by writing the ID, and you can go back to the issue section, to the main menu, issue book, view issued books, and search issued book, remove book. If somebody has borrowed it, the librarian is able to hide book or show that the book is not available periodically, or delete it if it has been sold. The issue book section, this is the book I have written, the name of a book, the book record. You can even search for the record of the book, and I ended some of them, and then I added another case, show if you issued book. You can see he can, by organizing, so he can check whenever he want the issued book list and the added book list, and the books that has been added by somebody else or edited by an editor. And this is a function that is used to this is the method of entering the book into the book list. And so if I run let me try and run the code, so we can try using these different functions. So let me compile and run. I hope I'm recording this by the phone, so it is not gonna be that HD. I'm using. Okay, press any. Okay, so this is the main menu. If you want to choose one of them, this is the main menu, and these are the 7 different actions: add book, delete, search, issue, view book list, and edit the book's record. For example, let's view the book. So we write 5. These are 2 different books that I have added by myself. They are not I wrote any ID number from my head, so it's not like correct, but I was just trying if it works or not. Electrical engineering, electromagnetics, and I didn't you can add the price and the other. So press enter to return to the main menu. You go, for example, let's try adding another book. So you choose a category, for example, electronics 2. First you write the ID. For example, the ID of the book is 772345. This is the ID of the book, BB. Book name, it can be like engineering, engineering programming, engineering programming. I write it in the author name by mistake. I should write it in the book's name. Engineering programming, for example, and the author is, it doesn't it I should have wrote it in the from the beginning. I should have wrote it, because I wrote it now. I wrote it in the author. I should wrote it in the book name. So, anyways, it's now saved actually. For example, if I wanna go back to it, I can find the book that I just added. Hopefully, of course. Sorry, maybe I wrote it incorrectly. Let me try again. So, Afandi, no. Okay, so search book, let's search. Oh no, not search. I want to go back 0, 7. Oh, what's wrong with it? Let me write back to it. So let's search for a book or view the book list. Let's view the book. Because if I want to search book, I will be asked to write the name or the ID, and you can see when I add books, I just write numbers from randomly. They are not real ID of books. So view book list. So these are the books, and the last one I just added. Where is it? 70. Yeah, here it is. I didn't add price to it. So press enter to go back. This is my final project. I hope it is gonna be acceptable, and thank you very much.